Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make salad using curd easy method. Start by whisking plain curd with lemon juice, salt, pepper, and a little honey for balance and smoothness. Chop cucumber, tomato, and onion into bite-sized pieces and add fresh herbs if you like. Combine vegetables with the curd dressing and toss gently until coated, then chill briefly so flavors meld and serve chilled as a refreshing side dish. Try simple swaps to change flavors quickly and keep the salad interesting. Stir in chopped mint and cilantro for freshness, or add roasted peanuts for contrast and crunch. For more protein, fold in shredded chicken or chickpeas so the salad is more filling. Use mustard or a splash of apple cider vinegar to introduce tang without thinning the curd too much, and taste as you adjust seasoning for balance. Prep ahead by making the curd dressing and storing it separately to prevent soggy vegetables. Keep chopped veggies in an airtight container with a paper towel to maintain crunch for up to a day. If you plan to take the salad to work, pack the dressing in a small jar and shake well before pouring to re-emulsify. Assemble just before eating for the freshest texture and best flavor experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.